Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice equation 6x to the power 4 minus 25x cube plus 12x square plus 25x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have to find out 4 roots of the equation. Okay, so let's start. If we divide whole equation by x square, so 6x square minus 25x plus 12 plus 25 over x plus 6 over x square is equal to 0, right? If we rearrange the equation, 6x square plus 6 over x square, this, minus 25x plus 25 over x plus 12 is equal to 0, right? If we take 6 as common, so x square plus 1 over x square, and here minus 25 as common, so x minus 1 over x plus 12 is equal to 0, right? Now 6, here x square plus 1 over x square. If we subtract 2 and add the same, right? Minus 25x minus 1 over x plus 12 is equal to 0, right? Now 6. This can be expressed as x minus 1 over x whole square, right? And 2 into 6 plus 12, right? Minus 25x minus 1 over x plus 12 is equal to 0, right? If we again simplify this equation, 6x minus 1 over x whole square minus 25x minus 1 over x plus this and this 24 is equal to 0, right? Now 6x minus 1 over x whole square minus this can be bracketed 16x minus 1 over x minus 9x minus 1 over x plus 24 is equal to 0, right? If we take common from here, 2x minus 1 over x, right? So here we have remained 3x minus 1 over x, and here minus 8, right? And now we will take this, here 3 as common, so 3x minus 1 over x minus 8, right, is equal to 0, okay? So this and this as common, 3 x minus 1 over x minus 8, right? So this and this, 2x minus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now we have two cases. Case first, case second, right? Case first as this, 3x minus 1 over x minus 8 is equal to 0, right? And here 2, this part, x minus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? So here x minus 1 over x is equal to 8 over 3, right? So x as LCM, x square minus 1 is equal to 8 over 3, right? So 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0, or 3x square, this can be brackets, minus 9x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0, right? So factors will be x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3, right? Now we will go with this. So x minus 1 over x is equal to 3 by 2, right? Or x square minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2, fine? So 2x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? If we factorize this equation, we get x minus 2, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus half, right? Now we have 4 roots of the equation, x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1 by 3, x equal to 2 and x is equal to minus half, right? Okay friends, thank you.